Shopify Success Bootcamp. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Bee, and welcome to our channel where we show you how to make money online with KDP low content books, and it's here with new training each week, so be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. Today I'm actually going to be talking to you about Shopify, which is not Etsy or KDP, but the reason why I'm telling you about it is because it's something you could be looking at to use as another income stream. And I'm also telling you about it because there is a Shopify Success Bootcamp by Fernando Sesteta, and Fernando Sesteta himself is a six-figure salesperson that uses both Shopify and Etsy, and what he doesn't know about either of these platforms isn't worth knowing about. So he wants to help you build your Shopify business, and he's actually going to be doing a 4-class bootcamp. Actually, there's going to be 5 classes because there's one for a Q&A session, and these classes usually last 2 hours each, if not more. Some of them have gone on. But he is going to show you from the word go how to actually set up a Shopify store, picking a profitable niche, setting up a store, selecting, sourcing. He is going to be doing it more on the print on demand, but there's nothing to stop you actually using it for printables and digital planners and digital stickers and going that route. There are a lot of successful shops out there that use Shopify to sell their digital products, from digital planners, fonts, brushes, lenses, all sorts of different products, wall art. So you can be using it as well. And not only that, he talks about dealing with customers, dealing with claims and disputes and returns. Well, you wouldn't have returns if you're selling digital products, because most digital products are non-returnable unless there is a major fault with the file, and then you'll deal with that anyway. So it's about tweaking your listings, ads to maximize your sales. It's all about actually creating another income stream. But I must say that he talks about using the $30 plan. So if you want to look into this and you're willing to spend $30 a month on your business, then this is for you. The link will be down in the description. It is on an early bird price of $97. Once the course actually starts, that price will be bumping up, what he normally does. But there are a couple of things. Also, there is an order bump for Shopify POD Secrets at $99. Now, POD means print on demand. Then there's also 2 upsells. One is for Bookstore Boss, which is $69. I have taken the Bookstore Boss, and the Bookstore Boss is about actually setting up a Shopify store to sell physical books. They're either hardback, softback, or spiral bound. So you can be adding that in, and it's using Lulu Express. Again, you need the $30 plan to actually make that work. Then Upsell 2 is about joining his membership. The first month is $15, and then it's a recurring of $49. So you can check that out and see what Fernando actually talks about. And he talks about a lot of different things: how to grow your store, how to grow your traffic, how to get more sales, different print on demand companies that have come out, ones that are successful, ones that you can be working with for different things. Like, I'm interested in wallpaper, so he talks about where you can go to actually get that dealt with. But also he has a great Facebook group. Now, I can't show you the course because it hasn't actually happened, but what I can do is I can go in and show you the different courses that he's already done. Now, I've actually taken Bookstore Boss, I've taken Printable Shop Boss, I've taken Book Listing Bling, and I've also taken this Etsy store one here. Now, these 3 he's done with Michelle Bubaker, who is very big in the KDP low content book niche and knows what she's talking about with all of those. So, but it was Book Listing Bling where I first came across Fernando and was really impressed. Now, this Etsy store one here was done on the same way of doing 4 Q&A sessions, well, 4 sessions actually walking you all the way through. But you get, for each of your courses, you actually get a back end for the course. So again, join the Facebook group where he talks about different things. Download Christmas, this was the bonus here for this one. You also get bonuses on this, which I haven't talked about. So these are the bonuses. Free Patriotic Elements Design Bundle, answers all your questions in the Facebook group, and then your 100 niche ideas here. So as you can see, they're there. Then he had a couple of mini courses before the actual course started to talk about different things like copyright and trademark and how to keep safe on those sort of things. And then these are the sessions. They were all over 2 hours long, but they are so long because it actually walks you through starting everything, starting from the word go, how to log in, how to set up, what sort of things you would need, what sort of plan you need, or why you need that particular plan, and he walks you through everything there. So I thought I'd give you some examples of successful stores that are using Shopify for printables and digital planners, anything that can be a download rather than something that needs to be shipped out and you have to include free shipping. So the first one here is Life is Messy and Brilliant. Now, when I did a search for the top 5 or the top 10 Shopify stores, this one came up every single time, saying how popular it is because it's beautiful, but it's also grows its sales, and no doubt it's also got an Etsy store as well. But a lot of the customers are coming from Pinterest, but also YouTube, because what this person does, they actually do videos showing you how to use your digital planner and how to add different things, different digital stickers in, and they do that. Then the next one I wanted to show you was this Printable Crush. Now this one, she covers all sorts of things as well as SVG files. So if you're an artist, you can use it for wall art. If you're an artist that can create SVG files for people that use silhouettes and circuits, there's some really great courses out there as well that show you how to do that. And then look at all these really cute, colourful printables. So that's one of the great thing about selling printables, is you can be doing it in all sorts of nice colors because people are printing it off on their own printers. And then the next one here is Sarah Titus. She's well known for doing all her sorts of shops and bundles and printer planners and coloring pages and wall art. So this is a 16 pages binder that she's selling for $57, 101 page, $57. So there is quite a lot there of different prices, and then she knocks things down to $1 because she has $1 deal. So she's got different sales tactics going on, and she uses Pinterest a lot to drive her traffic. In fact, a lot of these people use Pinterest to drive their traffic. So these are successful digital online stores. So Fernando, he bases his mainly on print on demand, but he will answer your questions for digital stores because, like I said, he has worked with Michelle for printable shops, but this one was based around Etsy. So it works on the same sort of principles of actually selling, but it's actually setting up a whole Shopify store. So if you want to get your course for the early bird price, don't forget to click on the link down below. Remember, it's $97. There is one order bump, and that is $99 for Shopify Pod. And then there's an upsell of Bookstore Boss Workshop, which is $69. And then there is his membership, which is $15 for the first month and then goes up to $49. So you can check it out for the first month and see if it's something that you want. Don't forget, the link is down in the description. Click on the little bumblebee to subscribe to my channel to be notified about any other training videos and reviews that I do of products. Also, check out my video about removing color from PNGs and JPEGs in PowerPoint. Also, check out my video about creating line art from colored images in PowerPoint.